Welcome to Panama City, a vibrant, electrifying mix of culture, history, modernity, and pride. From the colonial streets in Casco Viejo to futuristic skyscrapers, this city truly has it all. After spending 3 nights soaking up local life in an Airbnb, we decided to switch things up and treat ourselves for the final stretch of our trip. We checked into the W Panama Hotel, a sleek, 5-star escape known for its bold design, luxury vibes, and city views that don't quit. In this video, I'm giving you a full room tour and an honest review of what it's really like to stay here. So let's dive in. And what's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, my name is Sade. Guys, I've been spending the last, 5-6 days here in Panama City, Panama. We spent the first half of the trip at an Airbnb and then checked into this beautiful hotel yesterday. And I want to give you guys a full tour and review in case you come down to Panama and are interested in making this place your home for the few nights or days or weeks that you plan on spending your time here in this incredible country. We just came back from like a day of touring. So we just got our room refreshed. It was a little bit messy, but I was smart enough hopefully to take some shots when we first checked in, so just don't mind the mess that you see. We definitely have moved in and made ourselves feel at home, which I'm really happy that I do feel at home here in this fancy tub, and wish I had this in my house. But anyways, let's give you guys a full tour. We're gonna start with the bedroom and then show you what else the hotel has to offer. But quickly before we get started, let me introduce you guys to my amazing mother-in-law who is joining us on this trip. I got my husband back there hanging out, just in case you see them a little bit in the background, but let's start at the front door. Before I take you inside the upgraded marvelous King Suite, let's talk about what the W Panama considers their standard room, the spectacular King Suite. And let me tell you, for a standard room, it was exactly that, spectacular. The hotel features over 200 guest rooms, each inspired by Panama's vibrant cityscape, local textiles, and rich cultural flair. Floor-to-ceiling mirrors and windows flood the space with natural light, making it feel even more open and modern. You've got a plush king-size bed wrapped in crisp cotton linens, a modular seating area perfect for lounging, and a minibar stocked for those late-night cravings. There's also a private water closet, a spacious walk-in shower, and yes, a cozy hotel robe. And you already know, if there's a robe in the room, I will be living in it. Plus, Bonvoy offers its members complimentary Wi-Fi, and the hotel thoughtfully offers mobility-accessible rooms with features like roll-in showers. It's clear the W just doesn't do luxury, they do comfort and inclusivity too. What's up? So walking right in, you can kind of tell as you walk through the hallways, all of the doors are kind of in the cargo ship theme. So it feels like a cast iron kind of door, but fairly light, and I really like the style and aesthetic of the hotel. We booked this room through our Amex credit card, and so through those perks and benefits, we were given a free upgrade, and thankfully the suite was available. I think this is the Wow Suite, so it is a really nice corner room view and humongous. So as you walk in past the little foyer area, you have a really comfortable king size bed, and then just in front of that is your television. Lots of mirrors in this space, which is really, really nice. And then just to the left, we have our bathroom. What's up? We got toilet in here, little toilet closet, double sinks. Again, don't mind the mess. I'll overlay it with some footage I took earlier. And then a really nice perk is this incredible walk-in shower where you get the full view skyline of Panama City, and a rain shower head over here is really nice. I would recommend, feeling comfortable to take showers here during the day because, the glass you won't be able to see through. But if you do feel uncomfortable, you can roll down these curtains that they have here. However, in the evenings, you could definitely see through, so I wouldn't recommend it being in the nude at night with the lights on, but it is a really cool experience. There are closets, his and her closets. I have mine here, one also on this side. And then also tons of space to be able to spread out. You can see my crap everywhere. And if you're not a fan of showering, we do have a huge standing tub, more dressing room mirrors. The cool thing about this is kind of like a vanity that lives on the back side of the bed. And then this tub, I mean, we used this yesterday. Definitely fits 2 people comfortably, but you could probably fit at least 4 people in here, and it has really nice jets. And then obviously you have this incredible view of the skyline. There's even a television on this side. I counted, what are there? There's 3 TVs in this room, right? 3 televisions, which is really nice. They even give you a little bit of shampoo, conditioner, and bath soap, shower gels that you can use. And then you have a little sitting area. My mother-in-law here enjoying some wine. This is TV number 3, and it has a fully stocked bar area. So this suite does not come with any of these amenities. These are separately, you have to separately purchase them, but it basically has everything you need from, alcoholic beverages, wines, and then we have a little mini fridge that's also fully stocked. They did give us these coffees, these iced coffees that were complimentary, but everything else you'll have to purchase, which isn't bad. So this room, I think originally we booked the Fantastic King Suite, which is also really big and a really nice room, but because the upgrade was available, they were able to accommodate us. But I have to say, even it was $220 a night. Yeah, so for the Fantastic Room Suite, that was $220 a night. So basically we're getting this suite for $220. So if you're not either an American Express Platinum card member, I think also, Bonvoy membership, and there's other, travel cards that if you use your points and you book your hotel and your trips through there, you can kind of build up your status to be able to acquire some of these extra benefits, which are really nice. One of the standout features of the W Panama is their wet deck, the hotel's signature pool and bar located on the 15th floor. With panoramic 180-degree views of Panama City's skyline, it is the perfect place to unwind, sip on a cocktail, and soak in the energy of the city from above. Whether you're taking a dip or just lounging poolside, the full food and drink service from the bar makes it feel like a mini rooftop escape. And if you're ready to shift from relaxation to rejuvenation, head over to the Away Spa for a massage or a facial that'll reset your entire vibe. Or if you just want to squeeze in a sweat session, the 24-hour fitness center has everything you need, from cardio machines to free weights, all with a view. This hotel definitely does not skip on wellness. When it comes to on-site dining, Moro, the W Panama signature restaurant, really delivers. Open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, Moro prides itself on using locally sourced ingredients, serving up a fusion of Spanish flavors with global culinary flair. We decided to try the dinner buffet, which ran us around $4 US per person, and honestly, it was worth every penny. Think Argentinian-style steakhouse vibes, tender, juicy meats, grilled to perfection, rich and savory seafood options, and for dessert, churros so soft that they practically melted in your mouth. The atmosphere, eclectic yet elevated, bold decor, cozy lighting, and the live DJ spinning chill beats gave the whole place an upscale, loungy vibe. It was a kind of dining experience that felt both laid back and luxe, a perfect reflection of the W brand. And just like that, the trip is over. I want to thank the W Hotel and the staff for such an incredible, 3-4 days here at the hotel. We really enjoyed ourselves and look forward to returning. I want to thank you guys, as usual, for watching. And if you feel someone invested in my channel and you liked the video and you found you got some good tips and recommendations out of it, feel free to like and subscribe down below. We are on our way out early, 5:30 in the morning, headed to the airport. So if I don't see you guys in the next video, hope to see you somewhere around the world. Lots of peace and love and light to you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.